Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad Jamaican style. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and cool cucumbers. Make sure everything is washed thoroughly and dried well to prevent a watery salad. Having one clean cutting board and one sharp knife ready will make the process much smoother. This initial preparation is key for a delicious and authentic Jamaican salad experience. Now let's get to the chopping. Take one head of fresh romaine lettuce and chop it into nice, bite-sized pieces. Next, dice 2 ripe, juicy tomatoes and one large, cool cucumber. For that authentic Jamaican flavor, thinly slice one small red onion. You can also add one colorful bell pepper, perhaps red or yellow, for extra crunch and a touch of sweetness. Aim for uniform pieces for a balanced texture in every forkful. The dressing is where the magic happens for a Jamaican salad. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme for that distinctive aroma. For an extra layer of flavor, you can mince 1 small garlic clove and mix it in. This simple dressing truly elevates the salad. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully place all your beautifully chopped vegetables into a large mixing bowl. Now, pour that vibrant, zesty Jamaican dressing evenly over the top. Using tongs or clean hands, gently toss the salad until every piece of vegetable is coated with the delicious dressing. Serve your Jamaican-style salad immediately to enjoy its crispness and fresh flavors. It's perfect as a refreshing side dish or a light, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.